Ako po ay siyempre sobrang excited na. Actually, kasama natin ngayon dito sa Edward. So, Edward, alam naman mo.
Excited na kinakabahan.
Excited na kinakabahan. Paras tayo.
Sana kuya ito na yung way na makita namin si Papa. Kasi matagal na po namin na gusto namin si Papa first.
2 years din nakalipas, no?
Tulong sa
Wala nang matagpuan ka namin, tapos naghahanap tayo kung pwedeng ano. Pero sana talaga. Ikaw, Tol, Edwin.
yun, kagaya ng sinabi ni Edward na sana ito na yung way na para makita namin si Papa. And gusto ko na talaga sa makita in person. Sobrang miss ko na po si Papa. Ayun, maraming salamat sa tao tumutulong sa amin ngayon. Dahil po sa inyo, may pag-asa po na makita si Papa po. Kinakabahan ako bro kasi mahata natin taray natin. Balay mo isang sa ano pala sa mag...
Saan galing? Exam ko yan. Exam, corporate day. Parang alam mo, sa ano na rin, ito talaga yung uniform namin. Alam ko, ito na yung tatay ni USP. Kasi bro, ako ngayon, makikita ko na yung tatay nila. Bro, congrats! Ano makikita? Ano ba lang? Wala ka sa akin. Ano, manifesting bro. May tutulong sa kanya ngayon. Pero, ayan, pupunta na po sila dito. Sana tayo ngayon. So, wala kayo? Kinakabahan kayo?
Kinabahan ako kuya. Sobrang kinabahan. Excited.
Sana yung daan para makita natin yung matagal nyo nang hinahanap. Yung purpose talaga natin kung bakit nandito kayo. Unang purpose natin, matulungan namin kayo. Even KMJS, tinulungan kayo talagang expose lang masyado kayong dalawa sa buong mundo para lang may makakilala sa inyo na tatay niyo, pero wala pa rin. Pero ito, wala na siyang kawala dito. Kung DNA may pag-uusapan, kaya wala na siyang kawala. So, kumuna tayo dito. Dito na sila. Hello po. Meeting you po. Meeting you, sir. How are you, sir?
You guys look like foreigner, 100%. Are you sure you have Filipino ethnicity?
Pero, ako po.
Yeah, we can see that in the DNA. We have
Take a seat, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Can you understand Tagalog? No?
Konti lang.
Okay.
It's our one. Tapos we have something for that wings.
Yeah.
You,
Thank you.
Something a little cake.
and for Rap and the group. I just put it here.
Okay po. Buko kayo. Ma'am Leia po, no?
Oh, yeah.
Leia. Ate Leia.
Is the wedding usually like this?
Yes.
And this is a surfing beach.
Yes.
Oh wow. So you don't have to surf?
No.
This is the longest boulevard in the Philippines.
Right.
Dito po kayo, tatay.
I,
Saan pa po kayo nagagaling?
Which one is
Cebu.
Edward? Edward. And Edwin?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you? You were born first. So you got the Queen.
So, galing pa kami Cebu. Actually, we didn't plan that we were going to meet the twins. It's just like, we went to Cebu November, end of November to last December lang, sabi niya, dadaan tayo sa ano, di ba, Bicol? So, sabi niya, maybe it's time to
Reach out and see.
reach out again and see if we can, you know, help out. Yeah. Because in our, sa case mo good na po is, sa case namin is, we're not helping through details while searching through the bloodline. Kaya yung DNA.
Say goodbye to your reading glasses, computer glasses.
How does it work?
So, we have a DNA kit, ancestry. We have no DNA kit, ancestry DNA, but there is different brand. But this is popular nationwide, and we have lots of this.
This is very popular in America. So a lot of people in America want to trace their family tree and find out who their ancestors were. So a lot of people will submit their DNA to Ancestry, and not just America, but Australia as well, and the UK.
Because there is no Australian bloodline. Is more on, it's a mix Australian
Because
Australian.
Australia is only a couple of hundred years old,
Yeah.
so most of the people who live in Australia are from different countries. Yeah. So if the father is an Australian,
I can see their ethnicity is from Europe.
Europe?
Yeah, so, but so it's possible na Australian yung tatay, but the ethnicity, the main is
European.
He is Australian because he was born in
I was born
Australia.
in Australia, but we'll get the results back. Once you've taken the test, we'll get the results back in about 6 or 7 weeks, so it's quite fast.
The DNA sample will send it back to the US kasi nandun yung laboratory nila.
So how do we
Sa Laiba, Laway. Kukuha ako ng Laway. Sinong gustong mag-take? Ikaw. Si Honor Edward.
I won't capture his saliva, but I'll capture it on camera.
Actually, madali lang naman to.
You've never taken a DNA test before?
No.
Okay. This is exciting. Fingers crossed for you
I'm so
guys.
excited.
I'm really hoping for you that you get your answers, guys. Really. I know it's tough not knowing, but with this, perhaps we can't promise 100%. Not yet, but we can't promise 100% that you get answers, but we can at least try.
Yeah.
You know, it's worth a try.
If it doesn't work in this one, but I think this will.
Yeah, there is another company called MyHeritage as well. The Ancestry have about 50% of the market, so most people have taken Ancestry DNA tests before.
So,
Nakita ko po sa vlog niyo, marami na po kayo natulungan about yan.
actually, konti lang yung vlog namin. Mostly wala na talaga kami time. Pero, we give them closure. Para, they already, nag-communicate na sila or iba wala na. At least, mabigay namin this full information sa tatay, picture, yung mga details ng tatay. And hindi talaga lahat, ito yung mismo masasabi ko, hindi talaga lahat happy ending. Para merong father na,
Ayaw sila.
yes. And,
Actually, ang gusto lang naman po nila is makita lang po
oo,
sila yung
so at least, sa dami naming case na hinahawakan, alam ko kung anong yung parang, kasi 50% sa inyo, alam niyo yung nanay niyo, di ba? 50% sa inyo, hindi din nakikita yung mukha ng tatay niyo. So, meaning, ang dami ng tanong.
parang
Parang-
may kulang.
Oo.
May kulang sa kanila
Parang-
pagkatao.
Anong mukha ng tatay ko? Ilang taon na siya ngayon? Is
Sino gusto
he,
mukha sa inyo?
parang, actually, they look like full, you know? But I can see British or Scottish is a strong ethnicity. Like, it's a strong, oo, it's a strong, diba? Like, they look like,
Strong blood.
ito yun ikaw yung ano pangalan mo ulit? Edwin.
Kaya din naman po siya kaya.
Ikaw yung kuhaan ko ng sample. So, magkuha ka ng laway hanggang dito sa live.
Sabi namin, inom ka muna tubig.
Don't